precious. My precious. My Bitsgap.
Hi, welcome to another episode on the Bitsgap Trading Bot playlist. Just a little disclaimer before we start, I do not get paid to make these videos. I wouldn't mind getting paid to make these videos, but I don't. Okay. I have dedicated an entire playlist to Bitsgap, well, because I like making money. And I know you do too. I just love the bot. I'm an experienced trader, but I use the bot to complement my trading. Also, if I'm not trading, the bot is trading for me. So why not? The bot makes trades that I would definitely miss as a human. And so, why not do my trading and have a bot running for me at the same time? That being said, you don't need to know how to trade in order to use the bot. You can be a complete beginner with absolutely no trading experience whatsoever, and you can still make money from using this bot. If you'd like to know how, I do have a playlist on how to use Bitsgap automated trading bot for absolute beginners with no trading experience whatsoever. I will leave the link right up here. There is enough money in the world for every single person to become a millionaire. So why not share what we know and become filthy rich together? If you don't know what Bitsgap is, it's a bot that trades on your behalf. You choose what you wanted to trade and it will trade for you. You don't add money to the bot will trade money that you already have. If you're new here, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. And if you like the video so far, please hit that like button. Okay, let's bring up the bot. Alrighty, just in case you have seen my other videos, these figures reflect only what is on here at the moment, so they keep changing with each video that I make. My point here is to show a very, very important thing. So let's say, for example, you're like, okay, you know what? I'm an investor. I will buy a coin and I will hodl it. I'll hold on for dear life, basically. I will just hodl it until I don't hodl it no more. Well, what if I told you that while you're hodling it on the way up and down and up and down, up and down, you can be making profits all along the way, whether the price goes up or down, as long as you hold two currencies that you are happy to hodl, regardless of price fluctuations and of how much of each coin you hold in quantity. Because of course the bot is going to sometimes have more of one coin, sometimes more of the other coin, and it's just going to be going like that, or like that, or like that. But as long as you don't really mind, because it's two coins that you are more than happy to hodl for the long term or for the mid-term, then how about I show you the difference between simply hodling and trading along the hodl. I just made that up, that term, but you're trading along the hodl, that sounds good. Let's keep that. Let's take Coty, for example, and just click on that. Those of you who have watched my previous videos and who have seen my beautiful profits with Coty, I have closed that bot and I've opened a new one. Okay, so that's why my Coty isn't 100% anymore, but it's gone down, and I'm going to explain what happened there. Okay, I'm going to go to spot history, 15th of March to today. I closed Coty at a 93% profit. That is an average of 1% per day, but my investment was only $800, so I decided to close the bot and to open a bot with some more money. I'm using Coty to increase my available US dollar so I can use the US dollar and just invest it in other things. So let's go back to the spot bots, and we're doing Coty here. Now you'll see that the profit is only 7%, and we're going to have a look at the chart. Don't worry, you don't need to know technical analysis to understand what's coming next. If you aren't yet familiar with technical analysis, we read price from left to right, and in simple words, when the candlesticks are moving in an upwards direction from the bottom of the chart towards the top of the chart, price of Coty against US dollar in this example is increasing. When we see the candlesticks, so these green and red rectangles, move from the top of the chart towards the bottom of the chart, then price is dropping. We had a little period here in which a lot of cryptocurrencies were hit pretty hard. My first bot, I opened it around here and I rode it all the way up. And then I closed my bot and opened it on the same day. So we're just going to have a little look here. I would have closed the bot here and I would have reopened the bot. It made some profits. I was in the green, and then the price went below my entry point. So I entered the trade here. Well, I opened the bot here. So the bot started to place trades at around here. That was my starting price. And then all of this, you know, the price dropped, and then it went back up a little bit, but it didn't quite come back to my entry price. See, more or less, maybe just about, maybe just under, and then all the way back down. And now this is the current price of Coty right here. So as you can see, there is a difference from here to here, we're going to just put it at the current price. The difference here is 17.21%. I made a 93% profit on Coty. Then I closed the bot and I decided to go in with more money, but then the whole cryptocurrency market took a little bit of a dip, and so I had to hodl through the dip, which if you are a hodler, you would be hodling through the dip. But the difference here is that I should be down minus 17%, but I'm actually up. I'm actually in a profit of 7%. Okay, and now let me explain that again so that you can understand. This is where I entered. This is the current price right here. See this little line here that's moving? That's the price. We're down 18%, 17%, 18%. In the crypto space, 1% is not a big move. Down here, you'll see that I'm up 7%. So if I was just hodling, if I was just holding onto Coty as an investor, my portfolio, had I entered here when I entered the second time round, my portfolio would be down 18%. I'd be at an 18% loss right now. And I'd have to wait for Coty to make a plus 18% in order for me to break even. Now, thanks to the bot, I'm actually up 7%. As you can see here, 7%. Let's say, for example, Kava. Kava is making me an average of 1% per day, even though when all of the cryptos went down during that little short period there, Kava was still up for me, but it was in range. I didn't close the bot because I knew that the crypto market was just retracing a little bit and it was going to go back up. So I just left the bot because I knew it was just going to go back into the grids a day or two later. I know I could have maximized on those profits, but I didn't. I was just lazy. I just left it. And so I missed out on some profits. So at the moment it's making me 1% in average per day, but had I closed the bot and reopened it, I'll probably be at a little bit over 1% per day. Let's click on Kava and let's come up here. Ooh, so this one has been open for quite a while. And as we can see here, I started the bot here. Now price is here. Let's put it right on the green. That's the price. Oops, let's just bring it over here a little bit so we can see. Okay, don't worry about that. We're just looking at the percentage. If I am a Kava moonbagger, if I'm a Kava hodler, right? So what that means basically, if I just buy Kava and hold it in my portfolio as an investor, expecting the value of it to increase over time, then I would be up 56% right now. Let's have a look at the bot. Thanks to the bot, I am up 75%. Can you see the difference between hodling and bot trading while you're hodling? Let's go back to the bot and have a look at this again, just to make things a little bit easier to understand. All of these dots here, those are trades that the bot has been placing. If the dot is green, like over here, it bought, and if the dot is red, it sold. Now, you're holding all the way through here, so your profit is from here to here in a linear manner. Like that's your profit from this point to this point. Sometimes you're in a negative, sometimes in a positive, and then the value of your holdings go back down and then back up. But the bot is actually making profits because let me just point out that this bot only makes winning trades. Okay, that's very important to consider. The bot will only make winning trades, only profitable trades. Now, whether you are profitable in the end or not, that depends on the pairs that you choose. And that is a topic for another video, but you can start with any pair. So as long as you choose strong pairs, like within the first 10 or within the first 20, then you should be okay. And you can also look here at the bottom and you can see past performance with some pairs, and you can just choose. And again, watch the tutorial so that you can get more information if you'd like to consider opening a bot for yourself. Coming back to here, all of these were profits. Profits, 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 tiny profits because it's a scalping bot. So the profits are small, so it's probably making you like $1 each dot or less. But you have to consider that when price is down, it's still making profits. When price is up, it's still making profits, and it's making these tiny profits all along the way. And then by the end of it, instead of being up 50%, you are actually up 75%. That is a 25% increase in earnings. If you're putting a bit of money on these trades, then a 25% increase in the value of your portfolio is pretty significant. And you get the point. At the moment, I don't have many bots open, but I will make a video when I decide to open pairs for Ethereum and BNB. At the moment, Ethereum and BNB have been flying, and so I'm not going to trade until they stabilize a little bit. So at the moment, I'm just trading with Bitcoin and with US dollar, waiting for Ethereum to settle a bit. It's good that it's going parabolic, I like that, but I rather just hold Ethereum when it's going parabolic like that instead of trade it. And then when it starts to stabilize and go a little bit sideways, then that's when I like to trade it on the bot. Same for BNB. As you know, BNB can just go through the roof from one day to another, and we can't really predict that, but at the moment I will wait, and then I will make a video on me opening trades for Ethereum and BNB. So if you aren't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Are you not convinced yet? Subscribe, hit the like button, and be in the loop for when I open my new bots. Not financial advice, of course. If you copy what I do, it doesn't guarantee success. I'm wrapping up here. Feel free to check out my Bitsgap trading bot playlist. I will leave that up there as well. And if you don't have a Bitsgap account yet, then feel free to sign up. I will leave a link below for you to sign up. And if you use my link, you will be supporting the channel, of course. And you will also get the pro version for free to use for 2 weeks. So do consider that. The Bitsgap trading bot is not expensive at all, considering the profits that you can make as well. It really works out to be super cheap at the end of the day. So please do remember to use my link, sign up, get the pro version for free for 2 weeks for you to play around. If you're a total beginner, use a demo account. So the bot has demo version, so you can play with fake money. You don't have to put any real money on the bot. You can just play around, see the profits for yourself. And then whenever you feel comfortable, you can switch the demo off and turn the actual bot on, and you can use your own money to trade. If you don't have Bitsgap trading bot making money for you in your sleep, then every second you wait is money you don't make. I'm going to start a Telegram group where we can all jump in and discuss our successes with the bot and crypto news and anything related to crypto. So feel free to find me on Telegram to find the group and jump in. There's nobody in there right now, but I think that's it for today. I will see you very soon in another video. Bye bye.